Hello and welcome. As you move in your journey of learning programming and how to code, you have most likely come across certain keywords such as logic, algorithms, syntax, documentation, etc. However, here's something that often gets overlooked: effective communication. It might not sound as exciting as machine learning or debugging, but here's the truth. Communication is the soft skill that turns good developers into great ones. When you look at any successful tech team, what you'll find is collaboration. That's how people explain their ideas and ask the right questions and make sure that everyone understands what's being built. Let's start by explaining code. Imagine you've just written a function that solves a tricky problem. You may know how it works, however your teammate may not. How do you bridge that gap? A clear explanation is part of clear thinking. When you describe your logic step by step, it forces you to understand your own solution more deeply. That's how you spot errors, improve efficiency, and help others learn from your approach. Then there's the skill of asking thoughtful questions. In tech, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking you have to know everything. But progress comes from curiosity, not perfection. When you're stuck on a problem, asking why and how is powerful. Instead of saying, "It's not working," try, "This function throws an error when I pass a string instead of an integer. Could it be the data type that I'm passing through? Could it be something else that's causing it to crash?" That kind of question shows understanding, initiative, and respect for your team's time. Good communication is about saying what matters most clearly and with purpose. And of course, there's also documentation. Every project lives and dies by how well it's documented. Future you, or the next developer who joins the project, will look at the writing notes that explain what your code's done and why. Good documentation is about creating shared knowledge rather than adding extra work. That means fewer misunderstandings, faster onboarding, and better, more effective collaboration. So as you move forward in your tech journey, remember, code builds the product, but communication builds the team. Take time to explain clearly, ask thoughtfully, and document consistently. Because when you combine technical skills with great communication, you help everyone around you succeed. Welcome to the next step in becoming a programmer and a collaborator.